What if I told you that most seniors who exercise are making at least one mistake that's actually slowing their progress or even putting them at risk? If you're over 60 and want to get stronger, move better, and stay independent, this video is for you. Today, a top doctor is breaking down the 5 most common exercise mistakes people over 60 make and how to fix them fast. Before we jump in, I want to know, where are you watching from and what's your name? Drop it in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps our community and lets me know you want more videos like this. Let's get right to it. Mistake number 1, only walking, no strength training. Walking is great for your heart, but it does almost nothing for your muscles, balance, or bone strength. If you walk every day but still feel weak or unsteady, this is why. Doctors Fix. Add simple strength moves like sit to stand, wall push-ups, or resistance band rows. These build the muscle you need for real-life strength. Mistake number 2, skipping balance, training falls are the #1 reason seniors lose independence. Walking doesn't challenge your balance enough. Doctors Fix. Practice balance moves like heel-to-toe walking, standing on one foot near a chair, or gentle side steps. Just 2 to 3 minutes a day can cut your fall risk. Mistake number 3, ignoring flexibility and mobility. Tight muscles and stiff joints make movement harder and increase injury risk. Most seniors skip stretching, but flexibility is key for pain-free movement. Doctors Fix. Add gentle stretches for your neck, shoulders, back, and legs. Hold each stretch for 10 to 20 seconds. Never force it. Mistake number 4, doing too much too soon. Trying to do too much at once leads to soreness, burnout, or injury. Doctors Fix. Start slow. Begin with a few reps or minutes, then build up. Consistency beats intensity every time. Mistake number 5, poor form and not listening to your body. Bad form, like rounding your back, locking your knees, or moving too fast, can cause pain or injury. Many people also ignore warning signs like pain or dizziness. Doctors Fix. Focus on quality, not quantity. Move slowly and with control. If something hurts, stop. Always drink water, wear comfortable clothes, and make sure your space is safe. Let's put it all together with a quick doctor-approved routine you can do right now. Warm up. Sit tall in your chair, feet flat. Take 3 deep breaths. Roll your shoulders forward and back for 30 seconds. Sit to stand. Strength. Cross your arms or keep hands on thighs. Lean forward. Press through your heels and stand up slowly. Pause, then sit back down with control. Repeat 8 to 12 times. Heel to toe walk. Balance. Stand near a chair or wall. Place your heel directly in front of your other foot's toes. Step forward. Keep your balance. Do 10 to 20 steps. Seated torso twist. Flexibility. Sit tall. Cross arms over chest. Gently twist right, then left. Repeat 10 times each way. Standing calf stretch. Mobility. Stand behind your chair, hands on the back. Step 1 foot back. Press heel into the floor. Feel the stretch in your calf. Hold 15 seconds. Switch legs. Marching in place, cardio and coordination. Hold the chair for support. Lift one knee at a time, as if marching. Go slow and steady for 1 minute. If you want more challenge, add a second set or slow down the moves to really feel your muscles working. As you get stronger, try some moves without using your hands. Remember, if you feel pain, dizziness, or shortness of breath, stop and rest. It's normal to feel a little sore, but never sharp pain. Drink water, wear comfortable clothes, and keep your space safe. How fast will you see results? Most people notice more strength, better balance, and easier movement in just 2 weeks. After a month, you'll stand up with less effort, walk with more confidence, and actually look forward to your routine. Celebrate your wins. Every time you finish, give yourself a pat on the back. Write down your progress, no matter how small. These victories keep you motivated. If you get bored, change things up. Play your favorite music, exercise in a different room, or invite a friend or family member to join you. There are tons of free senior exercise videos online, so you can always find something new. It's never too late to start. You're not too old, too stiff, or too out of shape to make a change. Every day is a new chance to take care of your body and mind. The most important thing is to start right where you are with what you have. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment your name and where you're watching from. Your support means so much, and I love hearing your stories. You've got this. Take that first step today and see how much better you can feel. One day, one move, one breath at a time.